my name is Stephane. I'm studying the LL.M in medical law and ethics. I'm from London, I work in London, and I'm the CFO of a medical research institute. Well, when I started the course, I was actually working for a pharmaceutical company and was very interested in moving into medical compliance. So having the combination of law and ethics was just ideal to get into this area. And University of Edinburgh offered it. It also offered it online. I was based in the south of England, and therefore being able to have the flexibility of studying when I wanted was a huge plus for me. I think it's very balanced. So a lot of very interesting reading. So you're directed to some sort of mandatory and optional reading. I did that on the train, most of my reading, and then evenings I would do some of the pieces of work which was required. I really like the weekly rhythm. It really suited me. It gives you some discipline, and then of course you've got the bigger pieces, the dissertations to write. So I think I like the fact that it covered a broad range of studying types. I wasn't expecting this, but you really literally have students from all over the world, because the online tool allows you to really work at any time. It doesn't matter if you are hours behind or ahead of Edinburgh, and it's very enriching. I think having people from different cultures, different countries, putting their point of view, I thought was one of the best parts of the course. I experimented with a few things. So for example, I started by doing half hours at lunchtime, quickly abandoned this because for me, you needed more than half an hour. So I dedicated a few evenings and the Saturday morning, and that's how I did it, in sort of blocks of probably 3, sometimes 4 hours. To me, that worked best for me. Part of it is definitely going to help me professionally, but I would say all the courses were interesting. I've taken a lot from that. I don't need to have gone through the course to do my current job, but it really enriches my view. It just broadens the horizon. I think it's been fantastic. I started in 2015 because I had to interrupt my studies at some point, and I like the flexibility of being able to do this interruption and carrying on. So it really feels great after all this time to be able to say it's done.